What's up, guys? Today we're making this creamy garlic chicken pasta, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by taking our cashews, and you're going to put boiling water over it and just fill it to like right above the cashews. And then we're just going to let that sit for at least 10 minutes. While that's sitting, we're going to cut up our zucchini, and then we're going to season our chicken with Cajun seasoning on both sides and really rub it in. And then you're going to cut this up into bite-sized pieces. This recipe was pretty good. I did get it from someone off TikTok and kind of tweaked it. So I will be doing a different version another time. And obviously I'll give the chick credit, but it was a little weird. I'm not going to lie. So just keep that in mind with this recipe. So we're going to start by cooking our chicken over medium-high heat. At this point, the cashews should be done soaking. So we're going to put it into our blender bottle. And then we're going to add in our truffle oil, which I think is what kind of like messed this up. But maybe not, who knows. And then we're going to add in our garlic, and then we're going to do half of a lemon squeezed in there, red pepper flakes, a ton of pepper. When you think you have enough, you don't. And then we're just going to add in our nutritional yeast, which I'm going to stop using in recipes because I found out it makes me super gassy. So if you use it and you find out that you're really gassy after, that's probably why. And then you're just going to blend it till it's creamy. By this point, the chicken should be done cooking. So then we're going to put on our zucchini and cook that at medium-high heat for about 4 minutes until it browns itself a little bit. And then we're going to add in our heart of palm pasta, our spinach. We're going to add in our sauce. And then you're just going to mix all of this up until it's combined and heated through. So it should be another like 3 to 4 minutes. And then after that, you're literally just going to put it in a bowl, top it with your chicken, and eat it. It was still good. Like, I'm not going to say that it wasn't good because it was good. It was just weird. There was just something off about it. So we'll play with it and see how we do next time. But anyways, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.